Hi, welcome to WebZero. In this video, I will share how you can import your Envato template in your WordPress website to build professional websites for your businesses. So if you are planning to build a professional website for your business or want to convert a simple website into professional website, you must need to use this template to build a professional website. So before starting the video, I'm sharing some websites which we build for our client businesses, and these are the professional websites which are generating leads on monthly basis. And remember, if your target is not showing only the website to your customer but also generating the leads, then definitely you must need to follow a complete checklist of local SEO from the start as well, so that you can rank on Google Maps and Google search engine. And remember, only build websites are not enough. You must need to build websites so that your visitors can be converted into leads, so that you can get the business from this website. And the best part is, you don't need Envato subscription. I'm giving you 100 plus template pack of templates, so that you can use any of template for in your WordPress website and build a professional website. So let's start the video.
So here is our empty WordPress, and if you see front end of this website, you will see nothing in the website front end. So we will install a complete Envato template in our website. So first you need to go on Envato website, and you need to find and download the template, so that you can upload and import the demo of the template. So here is our Envato website, and if you see here, we have selected WordPress, and now you need to search the template. For example, you are a construction company, so you need to search construction, and you will find a lot of templates. And even you can see before this you need to filter out the template kits. We are using template kits, so you must need to select the template kits. So all these are the template kits, and now if you click on there, and you can even see the live preview of the template as well. And here you can see it is loading, and now you can see the our template preview is loaded successfully. And here is our complete demo of this template. So after downloading the Envato template, now you need to go on plugin, and you need to add a plugin which is toolkit, and you need to search toolkit, and you will find the plugin in plugin section. So here is our template kit. I search toolkit, so that is why it is in some bottom. So I need to install and activate this plugin. And now after installing and activating, we have one plugin. And now you need to go on themes, and you need to add another theme which is Hello Elementor, because it is more reliable with the Elementor builder. So in template we use Elementor builder, so that is why I added Hello Elementor theme. So after that, now you need to go on plugin, and you will find the plugin here, tools and template kit. After that, now you need to upload the zip file. I already uploaded, so I need to delete it, and I will tell you how you can upload. So I need to upload the zip file, and now you can see it is uploading. So here you can see file is uploaded successfully. Now here you can see, attention, there are 4 requirements. So we need some plugins to install and import demo successfully. So you need to click on install requirements, and need to click on install, and all these plugin will be installed successfully. Then we will import the plugin, then we will import the template kit. Now you can see notification is gone. Now you need to click on ignore requirements and import global kit style. So why we import global kit style? Basically it will import fonts and color of the theme as well. Now if you go on pages, you will see we don't have any pages. I need to delete this one as well. And now we need to add 4 pages, 1 2 3 and 4 pages, because we are adding 4 pages on our website. So these are adding. First one is home page. Basically home page is a front page, so I publish this one. Now you need to add about us, and now you need to add the third one is services. Now you need to publish this page as well. Now we have a last page, contact us. So these are the 4 pages which we are adding in this website. Now you need to go on dashboard, and you need to go on appearance, and you will find a menus. You need to create a menu, so that these pages will be added in menu. So you need to click on create menu and give the name. So I'm giving the name, menu name is menu navigation, and I need to click on create. And now you can see all the pages. So I'm adding all home, about us, home, services. So why home is showing twice? So I need to remove this one, and now I need to set some sequence. And now you need to click on save menu, and now you have successfully added the pages and created the menu as well. Now you need to go on elements kit, and you will see an option header footer. So now we need to delete both header and footer. So now you can see we have nothing in our header and footer. So you need to click on add new template, and you need to give the name of header, and type is header definitely. So condition entire website. We want to add header in the entire website. So that is why we are selecting entire site in conditions. Now you need to click on activate and save changes. Same for the footer. Now you need to go on name footer, select the footer, and it should also go on entire website. Now you need to save changes. Now we have everything in our WordPress, like we have pages, we have a header footer, we have menu. So now we need to import the Envato template kit. So first we will add import Envato template in header and footer. You need to click on header and footer, and you need to go on edit with Elementor. So I opened both in edit with Elementor builder. So now you can see here we have this icon and we are importing the header. So now you need to go on header and import the header from here. So for example, we have here is our header. So you need to click on insert template and it will import the header in your website. So you can see here we have the header. So now you can change the logo, you can change the phone number, but I'm not changing anything right now. So now you need to publish on this, and I'm going to process on. Now you have a footer. Now you need to same process and import the footer, and I need to find the footer. So here is our footer. So I click on insert template and it is importing. So here you can see we successfully import the footer as well. Now you need to click on publish and you need to cross this one. Now you need to go on pages, and first we will import the home page. So you need to click on edit and click on edit with Elementor, because we are importing template in Elementor. So that why we need to open the Elementor builder. So now we need to zoom in, and now you have an icon and you need to click on there and you need to find the home page. So here is our home page 1, 2 and 3. So I need to import the home page 1. So I need to click on insert template. It is also importing now. So now you can see we successfully import the home page template as well. Now you need to go on page setting and you need to hide this home from here, hide title. So after that you need to click on page layout Elementor full width. Now you need to click on publish, and it is publishing, and you can edit anything on the home page as well. So here you can see, for example, you want to change this heading, you can simply go on this, and here you can see you can change anything from here. You can change image, you can change button links, everything from the left sidebar. So now you need to click on publish, and if you go on main URL of your website and you need to refresh this, and you will see you are not seeing home page properly. And if you click on home, you will see this URL, and now your homepage is showing properly, because our homepage is not set as a front page. So now you need to set the front page as a home page. So you need to go on setting, and here you will find the readings, and now you need to click on select below. Homepage is our home, so you need to click on save changes. And now if you refresh the main domain, and you will see the home page here. So we have successfully import the complete header, footer and page. Now you can go and import the about us, services, contact us, everything using the same method. So if you need templates for your website, you can simply join our community to get any template from the Envato.
And also, if you need any help related to website design, local SEO, or any paid ad services, you can simply contact WebZero team. And remember, consultation is totally free, so you don't need to hesitate. Thank you so much.